Hello people, this is a tutorial on how to use the Lasso tool in Adobe Photoshop CS 5.1. The Lasso tool is located over here on the toolbar, which I'm currently running my mouse up and down, and it is located under the Lasso Tools group. To open a tools group, we just click and hold. Now that we have our tool group open, we still hold the mouse, come over to the Lasso tool, and release. We now have the Lasso tool selected. Now that we have our tools selected, we need to make sure our options are what we want them to be. This across up here is our options bar. This over here all the way to the left is a preset menu. If I click it, it will open up a drop-down menu of current presets. As you can see, there are none for this tool. So I'll go ahead and close that. Next, we have our 4 selection mode icons. This first icon will create a new selection and delete any already existing selections. The second one will add to an existing selection. The third one will subtract from an existing selection. And the fourth one will create a new selection while preserving any already existing selections. The feather dialog box controls how much the selection expands and at the same time fades into the surrounding area. The anti-alias checkbox will smooth any microscopic sharp edges of your selection. The Refine Edge option, or as I tend to refer to it, Refine Edge command, will be explained in a later tutorial called Cleaning Up Selections. Now that we have our tool set, we're ready to start. The Lasso tool is a general free selection tool, and you can do with it pretty much whatever you want. So here I'm going to try to select a dog. As you can see up here, I have all my stuff already set. I have feathering 0, anti-alias checked, and I'm going to start a new selection. So here we go. I'm just going to click and drag to start my selection. I'm just going to draw behind my mouse, following my mouse. I'm going to try to select the entire dog, and as you can see, I'm doing a very poor job of this. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come into here to add to selection. Right here, add to selection. And then we're going to select what we wish to add to the selection. And then we're going to come up here to subtract from selection and clean up some of this mess out here. Repeat for what's left. We'll do the same for this here. And this white space over here. And when we come to add to selection, I'm going to add the rest of the dog now. As you can see, I'm just holding the mouse and moving. And Photoshop is doing the rest for me. Now as you can see, my selection still isn't perfect. How to fix this will be demonstrated right now. And some further implication to this will be in a tutorial called Cleaning Up Selections. So as you can see, I'm on a subtract from selection mode right now, just cleaning up what I didn't want selected. And we've succeeded in selecting a dog with the Lasso tool.